Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, how are you? And I am fine too. Dear students, you know the world problem coronavirus, and school, college, madrasa are closed. Dear students, at this time we try online class, online madrasa class, online school class, and Facebook and others media. I am Abul Qasim, assistant teacher of Chowkbharane Siddiqui Alim Madrasa, Joypurat Sodor, Joypurat. Dear students, I hope you listen and read attentively. Dear students, look at the picture. Dear students, what is picture? And yet only one picture of, and this picture of only two women and one girls. This is social situations of women, and this tree and nature lover of heart, and whole picture are, dear students, what is whole picture? And this, yes, making difference. Dear students, whole picture are making difference. Dear students, open your book and unit 5. Unit 5, making difference. Unit 5 are three stories. Only one story are social situation of women. Second story are a nature lover of heart, and third story dope and bad story. Unit 5, making difference. There are three stories, and this today's lessons are the beginning. Today's lessons are this beginning. The beginning. T H E, the beginning. B E G I double N I N G. Dear students, beginning, that means arombo. Sharia ra moye bhai. Arombo. Beginning, that means arombo, dear students. Dear students, after we have studied this unit, we will be able to this lesson only one. Read. R-E-A-D, read, and understand. U-N-D-E-R, understand. S-T-A-N-D, understand. Text. Though, T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Though. Silent reading. S-I-L-I-E-N-T, silent reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Number 2, meaning, M-E-A-N-I-N-G, meaning, keywords, meaning keywords from text, T-E-X-T, text, meaning keywords from text. Number 3, listen, L-I-S-T, listen, and information, I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N, information, listen and information. Number 4, ask and answer, A-N-S-W-E-R, answer, ask and answer questions, Q-U-E-S-T, question. Dear students, we will be able to these lessons. Only one, read and understand text though silent reading. Number 2, meaning keywords from text. Number 3, listen and information. Number 4, ask and answer questions. Ask and answers questions. Dear students, read the text. There is a small village called Bhavanipur in Jhinaidah. ঝিনাইদহ জেলা ভবানীপুর গ্রামে একটি ছোট্ট গ্রাম ছিল। ইট ইজ এ ট্রপিক্যাল বাংলাদেশ ভিলেজ, এটি বাংলাদেশের একটি আদর্শ গ্রাম। পিপল হেয়ার স্পেন্ডস দেয়ার ডে টু ডে লাইফ মোস্টলি ওয়ার্কিং ইন দি ফিল্ড অ্যান্ড ডুইং হাউস হোল্ড ওয়ার্ক। এখানকার মানুষ, এখানকার যে জনগণ, এখানকার যে মানুষ, এরা কি করত? মাঠে এবং বাড়িতে কাজ করে দিন অতিবাহিত করত। In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named শামিমা আক্তার মায়া। এই একটা সাধারণ গ্রামে একটা অসাধারণ মেয়ে বসবাস করত, যার নাম শামিমা আক্তার মায়া। Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. শামিমার যে অদম্য ইচ্ছা শক্তি তাকে অসাধারণ করেছিল। She has the most cruel aspect of life. নিষ্ঠুরতা তাকে কি করতে পারে নাই, নিষ্ঠুরতার দিক তাকে, তার জীবনের সে অনেক নিষ্ঠুরতা দেখেছে। But the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. কিন্তু এই নিষ্ঠুরতা তার জীবনকে কখনো থামাতে পারেনি বা দমাতে পারেনি। She has come out as winner, defying all the odds of life. জীবনে সকল বাধা বিপত্তি দূর করে সে জয়লাভ করেছে। Shamima is now 32 years old. শামিমার বয়স এখন 32 বছর। She has only one son named আশিকুর রহমান কনক। তার একটা পুত্র রয়েছে, তার নাম হচ্ছে আশিকুর রহমান কনক। She runs a small boutique called ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা in her village. সে ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা নামে একটা বুটিকের দোকান দিয়েছে তার গ্রামে। Let's hear from Shamima how she succeed in setting up her boutique. চলো আমরা শামিমা তার জীবনের কিভাবে সাফল্য নিয়ে এসেছে, সে বুটিকের দোকান দিয়ে শামিমা তার জীবনে কিভাবে সাফল্য নিয়ে এসেছে সেই বিষয়গুলো আমরা, সেই দিকটা আমরা শুনি। Dear learners, okay, read this lesson. Dear learners, This listens keywords. This listens keywords. Only one keywords. Tropical. TYPICAL. Tropical. There listens tropical. And yes, this is tropical, that means Adarsha. Tropical, that means Adarsha. Dear learners, next keywords, and yes, extraordinary. EXXTRA. Extra. Ordinary. ORDINARY. Extraordinary. Extraordinary, that means অসাধারণ. অসাধারণ. Extraordinary, that means অসাধারণ. Dear learners, next keywords. Willpower. Yes, willpower. WILL. Willpower. POWER. Willpower. Ichha Shakti. That willpower, that means Ichha Shakti. Ichha Shakti. Dear learners, next keywords. Deplying. Yes, deplying. DDFL. Sorry. FYING. Defying. Defying, that's mean প্রতিহত. প্রতিহত. Dear learners, aspect. Yes, next keywords. Aspect. ASSPECT. Aspect. দিক. Dear learners, this is listens is important keywords. Only one tropical, that means Adarsha. Only two extraordinary, that means অসাধারণ. Only three willpower, that means ইচ্ছা শক্তি. Only four, that means defying, প্রতিহত. Aspect, that means দিক. Dear learners, do you understand it? These important keywords? Yes. Dear learners, look at the blackboard and ask the questions. Look at the blackboard and ask the questions. Number 1, Bhawanipur. BHABANI. Bhawanipur. PUR. Bhawanipur is a tropical. TYPICAL. Tropical. Bangladeshi. 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 Village. VILLAG. Village. That means underline of tropical. That means underline of tropical. The underline UNE and the underline NINE. The underline word, W-O-R-D word means. M-E-A-N-S means. Number 1, un, U-S-U-L, unusual. Number 2, usual, U-S-U-L. Number 3, famous, F-A-M-O-U-S, famous. Number 4, infamous, infamous, F-A-M-O-U-S, infamous. Infamous. Dear students, look at the blackboard. And this Bhawanipur is typical Bangladesh village. That means the underline words means. A typical underline word. Typical underline word means unusual, usual, famous, infamous. Dear students, write the answer. Dear students, write the answer. Dear students, write the answer well. Okay? Write the answer, dear students. Thank you, dear students. And this next questions, dear students, and this next questions, Shamima, S-H-A-M-I-M-A, Shamima is an extra, E-X-T-R-A, extra, O-R-D-I-N-A-R-Y, extraordinary person, P-E-R-S-O-N, person. Shamima is an extraordinary person. Extraordinary underline. Here the extra, E-X-T-R-A, extra, ordinary, O-R-D-I-N-A-R-Y, extraordinary. Extraordinary what extra, sorry, here the underline what means. Here the underline, U-N-D-E-R, underline, N-I-N-E, line what means. W-R-D what means. M-E-A-N-S means. Number 1, common, C-O-M-M-O-N, common. Number B, simple, S-I-M-P-L, simple. C, amazing, A-M-A-Z-I-N-G, Z-I-N-G. D, normal, N-O-R, nor, M-A-L, number. The students, only one, Shamima is an extraordinary person. Extraordinary, it is called underline. Here the underline words means. Dear students, A number common, B number simple, C number amazing, D number normal. Ask the answer, dear students. And yes, amazing. And yes, amazing. Right answer, amazing. Thank you, dear students. And dear students, homework. Dear students, homework. Write, R-I-T, write, homework, H-O-M-E, home, work, W-O-R-K, homework. Write, W-R-I-T, write a paragraph, P-A-R-A-G-R-A-P-H, write a paragraph about, A-B-O-U-T, about typical Bangladeshi village, T-Y-P-I-C-A-L, typical Bangladeshi village, B-A-N-G-L-A-D-E-S-H-I, typical Bangladeshi village, V-I-L-L-A-G, village. Dear students, this is called homework. Write a paragraph about a typical Bangladeshi village. Okay, dear students, I hope okay, dear students, this class is finished. I hope all the students are fine and stay at home and read attentively. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.